Why is my don't piss me off right now?
Guys, I just thought of a song while I was tooting in the bathroom, and it was like tooted and booted, hey, tooted and booted, cause I was tooted and booted it, you know. So.
Put the sandwich up. Come on, put the sandwich up.
Put the sandwich on the table. Y'all don't want to put a sandwich on the table.
I promise, coming to the military was the dumbest thing I've ever done.
Forget 5, she a 10-star. Big dreams, but she wanna make sure she on God's will. That part, just keep him at the center, you gon' blast off. I
Why is my don't piss me off right now? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jada, and we're back with another vlog. So, y'all probably already saw me packing up my bag. Tomorrow we're going to the range. It's currently about 9 something, maybe like 9:30, 9:40, around there. And I gotta be at my company at 04. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. There's some stuff that I packed that I didn't record, but for the most part I got everything that I need for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be so long, but I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. We gonna see what I can get, what I can't get, but yeah, whatever I can, y'all gonna see it. So let's go. One thing for sure, I know I'm missing these gloves. Baby, look, I don't know where them things at. Oh well.
She be living in defeat like time's up. She only know to run away. Oh no, every encounter is a mess, a monster. She never look it in the face. Oh no, water rising above her waist. Struggling, looking down at the waves. Drifting further away. I accept my fate, ready to drown till I hear some say. All the way.
This vest is heavy. Excuse the bad lighting, y'all. I'm sorry. Ugh. I'm 100% gonna have to repack this bag when I get inside the building, but whatever. I thought my tripod was in the car. I don't see it. And that is gonna upset me because I need it. It's not up there. Oh, I got it. I knew it was in this car. I knew it was. Okay. They all out there talking. It's 4:05. Baby, look. Yeah. Right now, we waiting for, what are we waiting for? We're waiting for the arms rooms to open so we can actually get our weapon. I believe we're doing it in M4 range. So, yeah. The last range I did was the what's that? I can't think right now. It's too early in the morning. That's what I did. It was really fun. If I have clips, I'll insert it. I don't know if I do, but I think I do. I don't know. Anyway, I have a lot of stuff to keep me occupied. I brought a coloring book. I brought my iPad. I bought both my phones. Yeah, I don't want to talk. I already don't want to talk. I'm missing my blue flag. Oh well. And I don't have my gloves. I don't shoot with gloves on anyway though. I don't like shooting with gloves on. So no. Yeah. When we do something, I'll show y'all. I'm really finna sneak away and go to the 24-hour PX and get me a Lunchable for like lunch and stuff like that. I'm hungry. Or something. Something filling. Like I can't. Yeah.
But say this again, if they don't bring the church out there, if they bring the church out.
Brown, what?
It's like, it's what, like, guys, I went to sleep at 2:02 at night. I'm fucking tired. Get rid of the camera. And you gonna put me in it for sure.
You recording government property.
Ain't shit. Ain't shit.
Face it.
My back hurt.
Guys, I just thought of a song while I was tooting in the bathroom, and it was like tooted and booted, hey, tooted and booted, cause I was tooted and booted, you know. So.
It's gonna be a great day. The blue. I couldn't fit both my books in here, so I'm gonna go put this one in the car. But other than that, everything else fits. So let me show y'all something, right? No, don't get up. Don't get up now. Y'all, I'm walking down the hallway like this. Let me show y'all.
I'm trying to practice.
Brown.
I'm just trying to practice, you guys. No judgment. You see, you have to practice your perfect aim, and once you get your perfect aim, you're gonna be successful at the ring.
Anyway, I'm not gonna say that I left, but I am gonna say I got McDonald's. That's all I'm saying. I got breakfast. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. It's what, 6:22. We're still here. No bus. Nowhere to go. No. We're homeless and everything else. Say hey. Guys, say hey. Why they all the way in the... You know what? They all the way in the back. Okay, it's 7:40. We here, but we ain't out there. We ain't outside yet. Only the buses are here. I don't see no LMTVs or nothing like that, so everybody else not here still. That mean no ammo, no nothing. So we just waiting.
Home late, it seems you barely beat the sun. Tapping my shoulder, thinking you gon' get you some. Smelling like some fragrance that I don't even wear. So if you want some loving, I suggest you go back there where you came from.
Come on. Hey, you got a level 2. Hey, we got a level 2.
All right. We got four. Oh, they got bored. They got bored.
We got bored. We won't not get bored.
They was gonna get bored. Ooh, Lord.
This is us right here. I already know. I feel it. I feel it. You're gonna give me the whole game.
The whole game? So you trying to run the whole game on me? 13?
Yes.
No, ain't that hard.
No, not 13.
Oh, you trying to
Put the sandwich up. Come on, put the sandwich
Put a
up.
sandwich on the table. Y'all don't want to put a sandwich
I
on the
told you
table.
to call Mario.
Oh, my God.
It's 8:34. the range's not supposed to actually open up until 9 o'clock. So right now, everybody just trying to get comfortable. Whatever, they playing spades over there. People just chilling on their phone over there. I'm probably finna watch some TV. I got enough devices to where I don't gotta stay on my phone, so I'm gonna try not to stay on my phone unless I have to like record or something like that. The gut truck just got here, which means like there's sandwiches and drinks and all that stuff over there. So yeah, I'm ready for this day to be over already and just started. Yeah. Okay, my mic wasn't on at first, but it's on now. So yeah, I don't want to eat my snacks because I really don't have like a breakfast food for real, but I also did already have breakfast, so I think I'm just bored. That's why I want to eat, which is not good. But yeah, I'm gonna go over here and see what they have at the gut truck just in case, because I'm gonna be mad later if I don't eat, or if I at least don't have something to eat later. So we're gonna go see. Let's go. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you just bring it to the front. Okay, this is what we're looking at. I don't know. Oh, I can get a cheeseburger for sure. I think I'm gonna get it. Good morning. Okay, we're getting a cheeseburger. Can't forget the condiments. I need mayo. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get 2 mayos. I don't think I need nothing else. I just want the burger. Yay. Okay.
You will keep your weapon on safe at all times until effective to do so. You will clear your weapon with an RSO present when exiting each patrol. So we're gonna be at the safe end if you have a strap. If you don't have a strap, then it's gonna be at the flat. No, ready. That's when you don't do that with the functions because you're not doing something to remember, right? Something I forgot to mention, but I'm gonna let you guys know right now. Treat every weapon as if it was already, okay?
I'm watching Avatar.
Which one, the new one? It smell like onions and...
Bro, imagine you come at home, bro. Like, that would suck ass, bro. It's the first thing you get to sleep in my car, bro. So fuck it.
Oh, that's not. I'd be like, can I get
Got. Actually, I can't even hear.
I wouldn't get expected everything.
Avatar. I should have had my. Oh no,
You
mine.
never think, you don't know, it's kind of embarrassing.
Boom, baby. So they're shooting right now. I'm gonna show y'all when I finish talking. They're shooting. Like I said, I'm watching Avatar. I've been eating my snacks. My burger was nasty. I'm so mad about that. It was $7. Wasting money. But right now they're zeroing, so they're just trying to get their weapon to match their eyesight. And then yeah, we're just gonna keep on getting down with the get down. Get down with the get down. I'm cold. That's why I have my fleece on like a cover. It's freezing. I'm cold. And I'm not going down there to sit in the sun. I'm tired of moving back and forth with this heavy old vest. No. But yeah. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Could be worse. I've been through worse. But yeah. Let's get my iPad down here. It's hard to show y'all. So yeah. I will flip the camera so y'all can see. And then talk to y'all when it's my turn.
You're lying.
You know, the shower room where everyone goes out and everything. I didn't give a fuck about. I didn't give a fuck though. I was like, I need a shower.
It is almost 11 o'clock. Still haven't gone. Took a nap. They still shooting. Baby, look, I'm tired.
I switch bitches. I got hot revolver. I switch bridges. I know problems how gonna switch my bitches.
Y'all, I got the big old goggles that they gave us at CIF. I don't got the regular. Yeah, I got the big ones. It's okay. I'm gonna still wear them. I don't care.
Whatever that's called.
My head's small, my ears are small. My helmet barely fit. It shouldn't be. Anyway, I'm trying to stuff this thick old thing in my ear. Ears this big, like, bro. Goggles big. I just can't. I promise. Coming to the military was the dumbest thing I've ever done. Let's see. But being that my helmet is small, or that my helmet is big, it helped with these goggles instead of sliding down my face, you know? So, I'm good. Okay. I'm gonna have somebody record for me, and then wait. Okay. Okay. I'll have somebody record for me. See y'all. Bye.
Lifestyle. When I say athlete,
Not even. It doesn't make a difference.
I knew wrestlers that would eat McDonald's.
Well, yeah, but guess what?
But they're also burning like thousands of calories.
No.
Yeah, I mean.
I gotta look at the videos that Shumpert recorded. This is my paper. We started down here and ended here. Period. Yeah. Wild Wild West. Look at the tumbleweed. Real life. I've never seen that until I came here. It's 1:15. We finna start cleaning up. Oh, this PC is atrocious. Anyway, we finna start cleaning up. Gotta get all the targets off the thing, all the brass off the ground. And now we have to go to the next part where we actually shoot the moving targets. Yes.
Pay attention.
Yeah. They all on the right side. Dead in the middle. Well, I guess this would be the left. I'm confused.
Get down.
We gotta hold on. Are you about to grab mags too? Yeah. So we have to wait for the guys to come out.
Target up. Good. Prone unsupported. 200, 250, 300. 4 targets up. There you go. There you go. Left. 50, 100, and 200. Okay.
Okay.
50 left. They're up. There you go. All right, good. Hey, your magazine fell behind your thing, okay?
Okay.
Don't get worried. Don't get worried. All right. There you go. Standing supported. All right, you got 50 left, 100. Target up. There you go. There you go. Money. All right, 50 right, 100, and 150. Targets up. Good. More. Okay. 100, 200, 250, last three. Good. Good shoot. Up and on safe. Good job. You definitely follow the camera.
Thanks.
Oh, good job. No, you did good. I think you got sharpshooter maybe.
Hopefully I got it again.
Oh, if not.
Whatever this is, can't shoot. Because how are you missing that? Like, on the 50 target, you missing it. Gosh, I almost forgot to close out the video. Thanks for watching, y'all. It is 8:47. I'm gonna get in the shower. Why did I have a UA as soon as I got back to the company? To turn in my weapon, I had a UA. They literally waited until we got back. Oh, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm tired. TT's tired. I'm hungry. I'm dirty. Like, baby, look, hat still on because I gotta wash my hair. Absolutely not. It look a hot mess. Like, I'm tired. TT's tired. But as always, I will see y'all in the next one. Talk to y'all later. Bye.